I'm going to talk to you about farmland restoration and regenerative agriculture. According to Stanford University, there is 950 million to 1.1 billion acres of deserted farmland around the world. 99% of this occurred in the past century. The world's cultivated soils have lost 50 to 70% of their original carbon stock. Restoration is the return of native plants, passive restoration, and regenerative farming methods. Regenerative agriculture is no-till, having diverse cover crops, using no external nutrients, minimum pesticides and synthetic fertilizers used, and multiple crop rotation. Regenerative agriculture improves soil health, which restores the carbon content, which improves plant health, plant nutrition, and productivity. With more carbon, the life of the soil is increased, which means there's more microbial life, better soil texture, deeper roots, more nutrient uptake, and better water retention. Also, more pesticide resistance and better fertility. For each additional percent of carbon in the soil, it saves $300 to $600 of fertilizer. Cover crops planted in harvested plant residues crowd out weeds, provide fertility and tilth to the subsoil, and you should plant 10 to 24 different varieties of plants. Each plant adds something to the soil. Rotate 8 to 9 different cover crops. Diversity prevents plant and fungi infestation. Intercropping is when one plants leguminous crops with corn to provide fertility. Soil erosion and water depletion cost the U.S. $37 billion annually and $400 billion globally. 96% of that is from food production. That's all I have for these two topics. Thanks for watching.